Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. I bow to the Lord who resides in the heart of all. So what is the significance of chanting this mantra? So this is the mantra of Lord Narayan, and tomorrow we are going to offer leaves of tulsi to Lord Narayan in the form of Shalugram Shila. In simple Bangla, আমরা আগামীকাল ভগবান বিষ্ণুকে তুলসী পত্র প্রদান করব. As sattvic and simple as it sound, it is, and we shall be doing this, or we will be doing this with all our capacities, and there is nothing that is favorite or is essential for Lord Vishnu. He accepts 56 food items, cooked and non-cooked, and he even accepts one single tulsi leaf. So if you offer one single tulsi leaf to the Lord, he accepts it. So Vishnu Puja is simple yet very tough, because whatever you offer, you have to offer it from your heart. And the most important thing for this puja is, I think, love. You should love not only the Lord, but you should love yourself, your fellow beings, and all the organisms. So that's the main thing of this puja, and we'll be trying our best. So most of the works are already done, decorations are on their way. We have prepared some things that are already being hanged, I mean, if you can see. And this place I'll be doing a rangoli. Now what's the occasion? So you can see this structure is the extension of our house. We have built the first floor, and although no housewarming or Griha Pravesh Puja is needed, yet my ma and Baba and I, we all wanted to offer something to Lord Vishnu before we entered. So let's start the vlog. Welcome to 7 Days. I'll be giving you a house tour later in some other vlog, but this is the kitchen. Tomorrow all the bhog will be prepared here by my ma and my Jethu and Jethimoni. Takao dekhi ekটু Jethu. Jethu Jethimoni, they are preparing, and this is my Baba. So these are the mango leaves. This is our mango tree. So we'll be having guests tomorrow. So for this, we are having a small pandal. So we are almost done for today. Good morning. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So today we are having the puja. We will be officially entering our new house at the first floor, and then we are having a joggo, or in Hindi it's called havan, and then we'll be having the guests, and in the evening we'll be having a small kirtan. So let's get started for the day. Welcome to 7 Days. We have entered our new house like this. Officially, this is the entrance. This is our old house. We'll be using both the houses actually. So it's 7:15 around, and Purohit Moshai will be arriving soon with the Shalugram Shila form of Lord Narayan, and we are waiting. And after they arrive, the puja will start at around 8 o'clock, and then we'll be having the Joggo. So I'm very eagerly excited, and actually I was eagerly waiting for today, and finally it's the day and I'm excited for today. Let's hope everything goes well. If grace of Lord Narayan prevails. So let's get started.
ओम विष्णु ओम तद विष्णु परमं पदं सदा पश्यन्ति सूरय दीविव चक्षु राततम ओम ओम सस्वे ईश्वरी ईश्वरी सर्वभूतानां ओम विष्णु ओम विष्णु ओम विष्णु ओम विष्णु विष्णु आशीर्वादी शुक्लपक्षे प्रतीपदायां शंख चक्रधराय च पद्मनाभाय च भाय शिखपते नमः नमो अनोघम वामनम शौरीम दामोदम पुरुषोत्तमम वासुदेव ऋषिकेश नृसिंह दैत्यसूदन एष सचंदन दुर्वाक्षत तुलसी पुष्पांजलि नमो श्री विष्णुवे नारायणे नमो नमः
So as you can see, I have changed. Puja, Joggo, everything is over, and right now we are waiting for guests. Some has arrived, some are yet to arrive. So let's see what happens then next. Guests have already arrived. I don't know how much I can vlog, but I will try.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे शान्ति निरामया ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे शान्ति निरामया ॐ शान्ति ॐ शान्ति ॐ शान्ति
Everyone was happy, everyone was pleased, and that's our satisfaction, that's what we need. Everything went swiftly, that is all we would have asked for. And we had a kirtan in the evening, as you saw. My mother, my kakimuni, my pishi, and my sisters, and I myself, my baba, we all sang the songs of kirtan. And those who do not know what kirtan is, so it's basically songs that you sing in the praise of the Lord. Particularly Hinduism and even Sikhism has the tradition of kirtans. I do not know much about the other religions, but Hinduism and Sikhism do have kirtans. And then we had the Hori Loot. I do not know if that was captured in camera, but yeah, we are so happy, everything went so well. And now we'll be finally eating like something, because we haven't taken much apart from lunch. That also we ate at around 4:30. So that's it for the video. I do not know how much or what's the quality of the vlog. I tried my best because I am the sole person who is the cameraman, like for videographer, photographer, along with the person who is helping my mother and the priest, my baba, attending people, doing everything, serving, and taking care of every other things, because we are only 3 persons in the family, and we will be having guests. Some of our close family members came to help us, and my friend, my childhood friend, she came and she helped us. And that's how swiftly the puja, kirtan and reception of the guests have happened. So without any further delay, I'm ending this vlog here. I hope you like it, and if you did, then please give it a big thumbs up, comment down your thoughts below, share this video with everyone, and please subscribe to Seven Years for more. So see you next time. Until then, keep smiling, be happy. Oh, and in case you are wondering what this is, so it's from the remainings of the Jagakund. So it was applied here and here. So that's it. And again I am ending this vlog with Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. May God bless us.